Meshy AI lets you generate and animate 3D models using AI, and in this video I'll show you how to create a 3D model and add animation in Meshy AI. And in order to begin, as always, make sure to create your first account. It's free, and after that you'll be given some free tokens that you can use to generate. And you'll land on the main creation dashboard, which is in here. And in here, guys, you can choose either text to 3D or image to 3D. So either of these two, and in this way we can begin. Let us choose text to 3D and let us make something from scratch. Okay, so as you can see, you type in your creation name, then you choose text to 3D, and this is going to be our prompt field. And in here you can just type in what you want. Okay, so it's going to be a prompt something like this. Choose the model type, choose the pose. Don't forget that some features are premium tied, and then you can just press generate. And once the model is ready, you can open the animation or rig and animate option. Let us wait. Alright, so this is our character, as you can see. Then you just press on it. And in here, this is our 3D viewer where you can watch our character. You can just roll it around, look at it from different angles, and also you can change stuff. So as you can see, you can retry, and if you're not satisfied, you can just regenerate. So this one looks pretty much like some kind of anime character, I would say, having this interesting hairstyle. Also, you can remesh, as you can see. You can rig, print, create a bridge, and share it. Also, you can download it if you wish. And also, guys, you can apply an animation. So you can just select a preset like idle, walk, run, or jump. So you press on animation here, and you can create an animation. And also after that, you can adjust the animation as well. For example, the speed of it, whether the loop is going to be on or off, and pose start position. And then you can export as the FBX or OBJ file. These work in Unity, Unreal Engine, and Blender. So choose from the list. And that's how easy it is to animate 3D models using Meshy AI, generate, rig, animate, and export. That's it for this one. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.